Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on listening for and saying the beginning sounds in words. So the words we have today are all animals. Our first animal is a leopard. You can tell it's a leopard because he's a cat, a big cat that has spots. So I want you to say leopard with me. We're going to pay attention to the first sound we make. Leopard. Say it again, please. Leopard. One more time. Leopard. What sound does leopard start with? I hope you said L for leopard. Okay, our next word is goat. Goat. So go ahead and say it with me. Pay attention. Goat. Goat. One more time. Goat. What's the first sound you make when you say the word goat? G, g, g for goat. Okay, now we have an octopus. He should have 8 legs. Let's make sure that this is an octopus. Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, this one's an octopus. Okay, say the word with me. Octopus. Say it again. Octopus. One more time. Octopus. What sound does octopus start with? Octopus. Starts with ah. Okay, now we have a, do you know what this is? He's very thin. He swims. He has a stinger on his tail. Stingray. So say the word with me. Here we go. Stingray. Say it again, please. Stingray. Okay, one more time. Stingray. What sound does stingray start with? S for stingray. Okay, now we have one of these. I don't like them because they like to land on my food if I'm having a picnic. This is a fly. Okay, let's say the word. Fly. Say it again. Fly. Think about the first sound that comes out of your mouth. Fly. What sound comes out? For fly. Okay, now we have an elephant. He's a cute little guy. Well, he should be big because elephants are huge. Okay, elephant. Ready? Here we go. Elephant. Again, elephant. One more time. Elephant. What sound does elephant start with? Elephant. Okay. Hey, we have some of these around here. Horse. He's going to gallop off. Okay, horse. So say it with me and listen to the beginning sound. Horse. Again, please. Horse. One more time. Horse. What sound does horse start with? For horse. And this is our last one for today. These are some of my favorite insects because I think they're beautiful. Some people don't like them. I do. Do you know what this one is? Dragonfly. Dragonfly. So say the word with me. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. One more time. Dragonfly. What sound does he start with? D for dragonfly. Okay, see you next time.